Right.
Meanwhile, I was ready for the final charge.
Goodbye, losers. Ignition. Start. Oh, cock.
With the other two heading for failure, I'd got HMS Orange started and was cruising to an easy win.
This is just brilliant. Oh, cock. The boat is beginning to behave oddly. There is a bit of water coming in, but it's not very far. You two! Help! Come and rescue! I'm going down!
My boat's smashed to pieces, James. I can't help you with that.
My boat's... Look, it'll take me ages. It's all the way over there.
It's going down! It's gone! Oh, Jesus! Ah! It's so cold!
Look, he's going.
Ah! You bastard!
Have you ever seen?
Ah! My testicles have retreated!
We don't need to know that.
Oh, no!
Oh,
Oh,
that hurt me just watching.
I've got a runny
Yeah.
nose.
Oh.